What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Bike Riders. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is on Yamaha's adventure tourer bike 2020 Yamaha Super Tenere ES. There is a saying that racing is the taste bud of the road vehicles, and the 2020 Yamaha Super Tenere ES stands as a proof of that, using a race delivered 1199cc double overhead cam fuel injected parallel twin cylinder engine that raced in many Dakar rallies races throughout the past 2 decades. The Super Tenere produces 110 bhp and 140 Nm of torque, much of it accessible across the entire mid RPM range. This placed it perfectly in the position for the both roads cruising as well as attacking a sand dune or a dirt mount. The Super Tenere ES comes standard with the side stand and the center stand for a quick repair in the middle of now here, as well as variable motor traction features, compact and dual zone ABS with an option to set for unified braking, and exceptional compact 1199cc parallel twin cylinder using a unique 270 degrees crank for excellent torque and traction. Engine mass is kept low for a great handling. Narrow 2-cylinder inline engine is slim and compact for curving tight lines in the twist narrow mountain roads. Electronic suspension. Electrically adjusted suspension make the finding the right setting as easy as pushing a button, with 4 preload setting, 3 damping presets and an additional 7 fine-tuning damping adjustments. The Super Tenere ES suspension can be set perfectly to meet the needs of the rider, passenger and the amount of cargo and terrain. All-purpose drivetrain. Wide ratio 6-speed transmission has a right gear whatever on the open highway or off-road. The durable enclosed shaft drive is protected from the elements while providing a direct responsive connection to the rear wheel. Advanced fuel injection. Twin downdraft total body fuel injection with YCCT Yamaha chip control total deliver optimum total control acceleration. 2-position D modes. Drive mode total response allows the rider to adjust mapping and condition or preferences. Traction control. Traction control lets the rider get on the gas with confidence. This very advanced system regulates ignition timing, fuel injection and the total wall open based on the wheel spin, providing a smooth response that is not abrupt like the competitors. 3 modes available to match the rider preference, including off-roads. Assured braking. Super Tenere ES has both anti-lock braking system ABS and a unified braking system UBS. Squeezing the front brake lever also provides some rear wheel braking. Pressing the rear brake first overrides the UBS, the traditional separate front wheel and rear brake action. Convenience and comfort. Whether riding across town or crossing a continent, rider comfort and convenience are important. Super Tenere ES delivers with cruise control and adjustable seat height and windshield, tunable front and rear suspension, low maintenance shaft drive and center stand and more. Cruise control. The Super Tenere ES includes a cruise control system powered by the YCCT. The rider can easily select or adjust a set speed to ace long distance touring on the highway. D mode total. Yamaha D mode total offer 2 response setting: T mode for touring and general riding, giving a softer response, and a S mode for sports riding when the rider wants the most performance possible. Luggage ready. The optional flexible luggage system design has 3 possible setups: standard with no top case or side bags. Top case installed. These accessories were included during the design of the motorcycle so as to enhance the look of the bike. Beefy controls. Wrap around handlebar brush guards are standard equipment mounted to a tough rubber mounted handlebars. Key features: ABS, traction control, cruise control. 2020 Yamaha Super Tenere ES specifications: engine 1199cc liquid cooled inline twin cylinder, double overhead cam, 4 volts per cylinder. Maximum power is 110 bhp at 7250 rpm. Maximum torque 114 newton meters at 6000 rpm. Transmission 6-speed gearbox, shaft drive. Front suspension 43 mm inverted front, electronically adjustable compression and rebound damping, 7.5 inches travel. Rear suspension monoblock, electrically adjustable preload and rebound damping, 7.5 inches travel. Front brake: dual 310 mm hydraulic disc unified brake system and ABS. Rear brakes 282 mm single disc unified brake system and ABS. Front tire 110 by 80 R19, rear tire 150 by 70 R17, wheelbase 11540 mm, seat height 845 mm, curb weight 264 kgs, fuel tank capacity 20 liters, average of 18.5 km per liter. The Super Tenere ES comes standard with both side stand and center stand for quick repair in the middle of nowhere, as well as variable mode traction control, dual zone ABS with an option to set unified braking. The front